Hey, how's it going? Amazing. All right. So I'm gonna discuss today what we're gonna do for our hour-long session together. This is our agenda here for 417. So you're gonna answer the POD question, how does geography impact the development of civilization? Like how was Egypt impacted by the desert and the Nile River? How was Greece impacted by the mountains? So kind of the same concept. So just how does geography impact a civilization? How does having natural boundaries around you impact you and help you or hurt you? And then what do civilizations need so they can be successful? They need fresh water. What else do they need so that they can grow and develop into a major civilization? All right, so once you're done the POD, you're then going to watch a short video on YouTube that talks about the geography of India. Once you're done watching the video, you're going to answer questions based on the video to show that you've understood what you've read, what you listened to in the video. Then you're going to read a PowerPoint on the geography of India, and you're going to complete some guided notes. After completion of the guided notes, you're then going to answer questions based on the PowerPoint. And once you're done the guided notes questions, you're going to do an exit ticket. All right, so I'm going to take you step by step through it. A lot of this might seem review for you because we did discuss India if you completed some work on Google Classroom or the packet that was sent home. Some people really struggled with the geography of India, so we're going to review it again just to make sure that you understand what we're talking about here. All right, so here we go. Okay, so this is the video that you're going to watch. It's a short video, it's only 3 minutes and 42 seconds. In the video, she's going to say that you can click on certain things that you want to see. You cannot do that. I've done that. All it does is pause the video. So you don't need to click on anything in the video. Just you listen to the video and you can answer the questions for the video. If you want to split your screen with the video, like bring this down and make it separate and then make it smaller, and then click on the link for the link for the questions. So you have them side by side and you can listen to the video as you're doing the questions. You can do that if that's helpful for you, or you could just listen to the video and then do the questions. So you decide how you want to do it. You can split your screen, just make the screen smaller and put them side by side, or listen to the video as you read through the questions so you know what you're looking for. You can go back and listen to the video as many times as you need to. You can go back and do the questions as many times as you need to. Total points for this is 16 points. So you can do it as many times if you want to get 16 out of 16. If you're satisfied with 12 out of 16, then you can leave it as is. This seems like an easier way. You could just have it playing in the background as you do the questions. You decide how you want to do it. All right, so once you're done the questions, you're going to turn it in. And then the next thing we're going to do is this PowerPoint for the geography of India. You're also going to, so you can do the same thing, you can make it smaller and then do your guided, sorry. You can make this smaller and put them side by side so you can read through it and then type in the answer. So it says a subcontinent is a small piece of land that is part of a larger continent yet has some differences that earn a separate designation. So India is a subcontinent. It's not as large as what a continent could be, but it is extremely large in size. So that's why it's called a subcontinent. but you're going to look for the word that's missing. So a blank is a small piece of land, a subcontinent is a small piece of land. Little hint, everything in red probably goes in these lines here. That's going to help you. So you're just going to delete this, and you're going to write subcontinent. You can underline it if you want, or you can not underline it if you don't want to. You just type it in, so you have it there. Okay, so you're just going to fill in the missing pieces. It says while physically connected, subcontinents usually have different geography, cultures, and even rest on different tectonic plates than the main continent. India's culture is uniquely their own. They experience a climate unlike most of Asia, and this massive landmass rests solely on its own Indian plate. So you're just going to fill in the missing words here. So you can stretch this out. If this is confusing for you, you can just go back and forth between the um, the two screens. You can make it smaller by coming up here and changing the size and then typing it in. So you decide how you want to do it. It's totally up to you. So you're going to go through and you're going to read through the PowerPoint and then fill in the guided notes. On page 13, there is a video you can click on to watch how the monsoons impact India, to give you an idea of what it's like for people in India. The monsoons are not an ancient uh, thing. They still exist today. India relies on these monsoons. They need these monsoons so that they can survive and grow their crops, so they can be a successful civilization and feed their people. Okay, so once you're done the guided notes, you're going to click on the link for the oops, sorry. You're going to click on the link for the check-in. So you're going to use what you learned in your guided notes. So again, if you want to put these side by side along your guided notes so you can answer the questions, you could do it like that. Okay. And then when you're done, you're going to turn it in. When you're done your guided notes, you're going to turn them in as well. Like, should say up top here, turn in, not share, but turn in. And then you just turn it in to get credit for doing the guided notes. Okay. All right, so your last thing you're going to do is your exit ticket, which is this here, again in Google Forms. You're going to use this map here to help you with answering the question. So the first question says, what is India's capital city? Well, capital city usually has a star on it, so you're going to find the city that has a star, and it's fairly large in the northern part of India. And you're going to fill in the answer, which apparently I left up, is New Delhi. So you can see here. So you're going to fill in the answer for this. This is worth 12 points. So there's 6 questions total. When you're done, you're going to turn this in as well. And that is your day. I am going to hold Zoom sessions today and Friday to assist you in any way that I can. You can always message me or email me if you're having questions or concerns or any problems accessing any information, or it's extremely confusing for you in any way. Please do not hesitate to contact me and I will assist you to the best of my ability. All right, hope you have a great day. Look forward to seeing you. And that's it. Enjoy the geography of India.